when I tell you, she look more man than me. She look more man than me, nigga.
Daddy Watts Too Raw. You begin to start a YouTube channel while driving trucks, showing the people on YouTube, showing the whole world that it's easy, and it's not very easy to drive big trucks. And that's what I love. I love to be around people that is about business, that is not about lagging around and talking the talk, but not walking the walk. That's what I like. I like people to be about business and don't have to worry about what nobody have to say or what nobody have to get in. But you are about business. And I'm so proud of you right now. I'm so proud of you. And I know you're going to be proud of me when I open up my business. And when I start doing my thing.
Whoa, now. What the business is. Who the witness is. Hey, it's your boy Daddy Watts. So this video gonna be about the reason why I don't like smoking. The reason why I did it twice and I won't do it again. You hear me? And I blame my friends, you feel me? So the story go a little bit like this. So I was going to my homeboy house, basically my best friend, you feel me? And he was just like, shit, I got these girls down in Gulf Shores, because I lived in Mobile, Alabama. So Gulf Shores is probably about, I don't know, it ain't far away. So he was like, yeah, I got some girls down there. Let me turn this shit off right here. There we go. He was like, I got some girls down there right now, you know, a cool little play. And mind you, it's spring break right now, so you know we out of school and stuff like that for a couple weeks, whatever the case was. So I'm like, all right, cool, you feel me? Nice little play. Let's go ahead and see what it's talking about. So nightfall come, and we about to get on the road. So my other homeboy, he come over my house, because that's where me and my best friend at. He come over there, and he like, you know what I'm saying? Oh, what's going on? You feel me? Like, what's the play for the night? And we were just saying, you know, yeah, we going to motherfucking Gulf Shores. Like, we finna go turn up for spring break with it was actually a white girl. So it was a white girl, man. It was a white girl and a black girl. So I'm like, I don't know what the black girl looked like. He showed me the white girl because that's the girl that he was messing with. And when he showed it to me, I'm like, why the fuck you messing with that? Like, the bitch ugly. You know what I'm saying? Like, what? Well, she wasn't really ugly, but she really looked like trailer trash, you feel me? Excuse my French, you know, I ain't talking down on white folks or nothing like that. But this particular one, she looked like trailer trash and shit. So I'm like, why are you even fucking with her? And he was like, bro, what you mean? Like, and, you know, it was all about, you know, not really what she looked like, what she could do. You feel me? And I'm like, all right, whatever. So we get on the road. So it's me, my best friend, and my other friend. People call us twins. So we ride down the Gulf Shores and shit like that, you know, and smoking, all that good shit. Like, me and him, not my best friend, but just me and him, and me and my twin. So we go ahead and we get to Gulf Shores and shit, and we pull up to a trailer house. It's a trailer. Ain't nothing wrong with living in no trailer or nothing like that, but it's a trailer. So I'm like, bro, like, where we at? You feel me? Like, why we ain't at like a house party or something like that? We pull up to a trailer, and you just like, go knock on the door, bro. And I'm like, nah, like this is your play, nigga. Like, I'm not finna go knock on the door. Somebody daddy answer or a nigga answer, and we gonna have to get down. You heard me? So I'm like, nah, tell her come outside. You know what I'm saying? He called and she ain't answering the phone. And I guess they was like scared or something. You feel me? Like, I don't know. So he fucked around and called again. She picked up and she was like, hello, basically. He was like, we outside. What you know? So she came, she opened the door. So we get out the car and shit, and I got my strap on me, you feel me? So, you know, I took my shit, because you don't want to just go into no random people house and shit like that. Like, it wasn't her house, you know what I'm saying? It was her people house. I don't know where they was, but I'm strapped up, man. I'm ready, you feel me? So we get in the house, and I finally see the black girl. So he was there for so it's basically 3-on-2. It's me, him, and my twin. So he got the white girl, and then I see the black girl for the first time. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Listen, when I tell you, booty sitting on steroids, nigga. Steroids. You know what I'm saying? I seen the back of her first. So I'm like, ooh, my phone got hot. But anyways, I'm about to tear this bitch up at this point. I'm about to tear her ass up. But then the motherfucker turned around. Come on now. She turned around, man. I seen the back. The back had me, the back. She turned around, man. When I tell you, she looked more man than me. She looked more man than me, nigga. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, oh, nah, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. Then my homie, my best friend, he had introduced me to her. You feel me? And I'm like, hey, and so yeah, I'm like, at this point, I can't do it. You feel me? So I went and talked to my twin, because both of us, you feel me, we like the two. We about to pick. You feel? We about to choose which one about to, take the L, basically. Somebody about to take this L. So I'm like, man, nah, it ain't me. You feel me? I don't want it. Like, I thought, but we got here, can't do it. You know what I'm saying? So he was like, shit, fuck it, I'm going. You feel me? I don't give a fuck. And I'm like, what, nigga? So you basically telling me that she a girl, but even though she look like a nigga, you still gonna get it. You still gonna hit. I'm like, man, you ain't got no motherfucking standards. Go on about your business, man. You hear me? So I'm over here now. Shit, I'm sitting on the couch just chilling. Then I started hearing some noises and shit like that. You know what's going on. So I'm like, okay, let me go see. You feel me? I want to go see now. So I went into the room. I walked straight ahead. I was sitting on the couch, walked straight ahead, went into the room. And my best friend, he right here, topped off, you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, okay, I'm about to record this shit. So I recorded it. I got the video and everything. I ain't gonna put it in the video. But I recorded this shit. And he just sitting there just smiling, like, you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, man, do your thing, you feel me? Hey, God bless you. But then I went into the other room, so now I'm in this room. It's a door to go to the other room. So I walk into the other room, out the lights off and shit like that, and the motherfucking room just going like this. Like, I literally feel the fucking trailer going like this, man, when I walk in the room. So I'm like, damn, he, you know what I'm saying? He pounding, like, he going crazy. And then we ended up leaving there. Like, so they got their little urge out of the way, they got satisfied, whatever the case was, and we left. Now, mind you, we back smoking. Me and my twin. My best friend, he didn't do that. Me either, but I was just trying. This is my first time trying it. So I'm smoking, and I'm driving my car. Now we going to a motherfucking house. It was a kickback that we was going to. Mind you, it's spring break. So we driving and shit. It's dark. You know what I'm saying? Music blasting, and we just, just vibing out. And I hit that mug, I passed it, and I kid you not, man, I seen a kid, like, I seen a kid in the middle of the road, dog, and I had to be tripping because they didn't see it, but I seen a kid in the middle of the road, bro, and I swerved, like, I literally swerved into oncoming traffic, you feel me? Because I'm like, I couldn't hit the kid, you know what I'm saying? And they was like, bro, pull over, bro. Like, yeah, pull over, bro. I'll drive. My best friend was like, I'll drive, bro. You tripping. So I get in the back. And now we laugh about this shit because I literally almost killed us. Because I was smoking. Like, it had to be because of the weed. It had to be. I don't know what was in it. I don't know what somebody laced it with, whatever the case was. But that shit really had me throw. Like, I was literally seeing stuff, dog. So that's the reason why I don't smoke, man. and it's not the only reason. Another reason is because the shit, it never did nothing for me. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. You know, there's other people out there, you know, they probably get high as a kite, you know, and they feel real good, all this other good shit, but it never did nothing for me. All it did was made me sleep. You feel me? So I don't smoke, and that's the reason why. Daddy Watts